What I'm hearing, it's like it really sounds like civil engineers have more pressure than ever today. I mean, there's tight budgets, strict timelines, complex projects. And as you just mentioned, all of this while dealing with limited resources and a lack of clarity of what's beneath the ground. So given these challenges, why is 4M solution not just a nice to have, but a critical or mission critical tool that should be implemented in their daily workflows?
Yeah, I think it all comes down to the capacity challenge. The fact that we don't have enough engineers, technicians, field crews, excavator operators, locators, and more. And I want to start with some numbers. And, in the US, you have on a yearly basis, 42 projects that goes to construction. And within those 42 million projects that goes to construction, you will have to coordinate with 6.3 potential utility owners on average. So if you multiply those two numbers, you're going to get to 265 million unique lines that needs to be revealed and protected by boots and locating device that will mark and flag for everyone who wants to break it out. Here's the surprising number. 66% of this space doesn't get located on time because you don't have enough people to send out. But even the 34% you do have, the ratio of how many damages you get for 1,000 digging requests grows consistently. Something must change. It's not the only way to keep throwing more humans, more bodies on the challenge. And I think increased capacity, it's through digitization. It's all about, to me, solving the capacity and doing it through digitization, digital transformation. Our product aims to drive profitability across multiple parties who are using it. We want to become that first go-to place for any professional. It's not going to replace everything, but we're going to give them the ETA to the completion or confusion. And that's part of our vision. It's not just to unlock the hidden value underground. It's the subset of it. It's to be providing the map product of any buried infrastructure. A digital repository that could be ready to use and constantly updated and could be sold at the fraction of the time and the cost of sending humans to the field. That's what we want to. That's what we want to do. That's the change we are driving.
And I think you hit the nail on its head. It's not going to get better. Like I think there was a stat out there too, like the amount of civil engineering degrees has been going down. This is only going to get exacerbated. This is only going to get harder and harder. As you mentioned, like we're at this tipping point here where we can't keep doing what we've done.